Hi, this is Leo Correa. In this video, we're going to explore the best way to manage your cash flow in a crisis situation. In particular, we're going to look at the line of credit section of the 13-week cash flow. Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to review the line of credit section of the 13-week cash flow. This line of credit section is completed in conjunction with the weekly cash reconciliation. The first thing I want to do is turn on the data entry cell so we can identify what we need to work on here. To start, we're going to begin with the line of credit section. The first item we're going to enter is the beginning line of credit balance. If you manage the transfers of your line of credit, this balance will be easy to estimate. In our version here, we're using $450,000 as the starting balance. If you have an asset-based line that is an automatic sweep with your operating account, you'll need to make sure your balance is calculated with all outstanding items clearing. For those companies with a zero balance account that automatically sweeps, we have another version of this 13-week cash flow model that calculates the line based on a zero balance sweeping activity. We also have an additional section for this 13-week cash flow that calculates the borrowing base certificate data on a weekly basis so you can monitor your liquidity weekly. The next items I'm going to enter is the maximum on the line of credit and the warning limit. In this example, I'm using a line of credit with $1 million limit. I have also selected a 50% warning limit. The warning limit is a way of quickly identifying the weeks in which I am borrowing on the line of credit beyond my comfort level. So, if my line of credit is $1 million and my comfort level is 50%, I want the ending line of credit balance to be colored light red any week in which the balance exceeds 50% of my $1 million limit. In week 9, my ending line of credit balance is $505,000, which is over my 50% limit. So the cell is automatically colored light red. If I change the warning limit to 60%, my shading goes away. If I change this to 40%, you can easily see which weeks exceed my 40% limit on the line of credit. Also, if I try to borrow an amount that exceeds your credit line limit, for example, in week 5, I will borrow $600,000. Then the weeks that go over the limit immediately turn red. We build these features in to make it easy to analyze, rather than scanning each week to see if your line balance is getting too high. Let Excel identify this for you so you can save time and reduce the chance of errors. The management of the line of credit borrowings is actually done in the cash section. Line 11 of the Excel sheet is highlighted as data entry section, and this is where you determine how much you're going to borrow or pay down on the line of credit. Borrowings are treated as a positive number and paydowns are entered as a negative number. In week 10, I paid down the line of credit $300,000. The cash balance for that week is fine, but the cash balance for subsequent weeks has gone negative. So I will just borrow another $30,000 in week 11, and that fixes weeks 11 and 12. But I still need to borrow more in week 13 to get the cash balance to a positive level. So in week 13, I'm going to borrow $150,000 so my cash balance is positive, and I've kept my borrowing on my line of credit to a minimum to maximize or minimize the interest expense on the line of credit. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button below. And if you want to see more videos like this, click the subscribe button. If you have questions or would like help executing these or any other business strategies, you can contact me directly at the email on the screen. Thanks, and have a great day.